If you made it to this video, then you have completed the first module. Right on. Again, we applaud your willingness to work through this just-in-time training in an online format. The second and final module digs down into the most important components of any lesson. Any lesson design that fits your individual teaching style, the non-negotiable things that should be in every lesson are learning objective. What do you want students to know or be able to do, and why? As I mentioned before during the Madeline Hunter video, teacher clarity is above the tipping point. Anything over a 0.40 effect size has a greater than average influence on achievement. Engagement is all about how you immerse students in the content. Checking for understanding, what systems or activities provide the teacher information that the student is able to demonstrate the learning. Closure is the opportunity to reinforce learning through reflection, restating the learning objective, or another opportunity to check for understanding. The brain remembers first and last best. Continue on in this module to access more information about each item and resources that might be helpful. Each section will include ways to implement into both the physical and remote world. Remember that your instructional coach is a great sounding board for implementation of any of these components.